Hey guys, I'm excited to share the best bike forks in this video. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Suntour CX Bike Fork. The Suntour CX is a suspension fork designed for mountain bikes. It is available in 3 wheel sizes: 26-inch, 27.5-inch, and 29-inch. The fork travels 100 mm, which means it can absorb impacts and vibrations while riding off-road. One of the notable features of the Suntour CX is its shoulder control technology. This is a damping system that helps to control the movement of the fork and prevent it from diving or bobbing excessively. It can help improve stability and handling when riding over rough terrain. The fork also has a mechanical lockout system, which allows you to lock the fork in place when you're riding on smooth surfaces or climbing. This can help improve pedaling efficiency and prevent unnecessary suspension movement. The Suntour CX is made from aluminum, which helps to keep the weight down while still providing strength and durability. It also has an oil spring, which provides a smooth and consistent feel to the suspension. It may not have all the features of a high-end fork, but it can provide a good balance of performance and value for casual or intermediate riders. Number 4. CX 03 Carbon Fiber Bike Fork. CX 03 Mat 3K Carbon Fiber Mountain Bike Fork appears to be well regarded by many mountain bikers. One of the most commonly mentioned features of the fork is its lightweight design. Many riders appreciate the reduced weight of the carbon fiber material, which can help improve acceleration and handling. The fork is also noted for its stiffness, which can help provide a more direct and responsive feel when riding. Riders who have used the CX 03 Mat fork also tend to praise its compatibility with disc brakes. This can help provide reliable and consistent stopping power, especially in wet or muddy conditions. The fork's straight steerer tube and 28.6 mm diameter are also mentioned as being compatible with a wide range of stem setups, making it a versatile choice for many riders. However, some riders may find the lack of suspension features to be a downside of the fork. Rigid forks can provide a more jarring ride on rough terrain and may not be as comfortable as suspension forks over extended periods of time. The CX 03 Mat 3K Carbon Fiber Mountain Bike Fork appears to be a well-regarded option for riders who prioritize weight, stiffness, and compatibility with disc brakes. Number 3. Baloney ZLA006. Baloney ZLA006 Bike Fork appears to be a popular option for mountain bikers who want a front suspension fork with rebound adjustment. One of the key features of the Baloney ZLA006 is its solo air system, which allows for easy adjustment of the air pressure in the fork. This can help fine-tune the suspension to the rider's weight and riding style. The fork also has rebound adjustment, which can help control the speed at which the fork returns to its extended position after compressing. The Baloney ZLA006 is available in 26, 27.5, and 29 wheel sizes and can be ordered with either a straight or tapered steerer tube. The fork is also available in both RL, remote lockout, and low lockout versions, which can be useful for riders who want to quickly switch between full suspension and rigid modes when climbing or riding on smooth surfaces. Another notable feature of the Baloney ZLA006 is its quick-release axle, which allows for easy wheel removal and installation without the need for tools. Number 2. Mosso Fork. Mosso is a Taiwan-based company that produces bicycle components, including a range of forks for mountain bikes and road bikes. Their forks are known for their lightweight construction and durability, and they offer various options for different types of bikes. It's important to note that when considering a fork for your bike, you should take into account factors such as compatibility with your bike frame and components, intended use, personal preferences, and budget. One of the advantages of Mosso forks is that they offer a range of models and options to suit different riders' needs. The M5L, M6, M5, M5E, M5EV, and M3 are among their popular models, and they are available in different wheel sizes, 26, 27.5, and 29, and brake types, such as V-brake. Overall, Mosso forks are well regarded by many riders for their quality construction and durability. However, it's important to do your own research and consider your individual needs and preferences when selecting a fork for your bike. Number 1. Baloney Magnesium FKA002 Fork. A suspension fork is part of a bicycle that absorbs shocks from the terrain and improves the ride quality. The text provides some specifications and features of the fork, such as: it is made of magnesium alloy, which is a lightweight and strong material. It has an air suspension system, which uses pressurized air to adjust the stiffness and damping of the fork according to the writer's preference and writing condition. It has a manual lockout or a remote lockout option, which allows the writer to lock the fork in a rigid position for better efficiency on smooth surfaces. It is compatible with 26, 27.5, or 29-inch wheels, which are different sizes of mountain bike wheels. It has a 32 mm diameter stanchion tube, which is part of the fork that slides inside the lower leg. It has a 100 mm travel, which is the amount of vertical movement that the fork can provide. The text is intended to inform and persuade potential buyers of the benefits and quality of the fork. It uses technical terms and abbreviations that may not be familiar to non-cyclists. It also uses some symbols and units of measurement that may vary depending on the region or country,